Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture, we will cover a new chapter of class 11, that is structural organization in animals. So, a group of similar cells along with intercellular substance performing specific function is known as tissue. Animal tissues are classified into few, that is first epithelial tissue, which is classified into simple and compound. Simple is a single layer lining for body cavities, ducts and tubes. Compound, two or more layers of cell, protective function in skin. Simple epithelial tissues junctions are tight junction, adhering junction, gap junction and connexin. Then there are two types, ciliated epithelium or glandular epithelium. Ciliated may be cuboidals, columnar transportation present inside hollow organs. Glandular epithelium may be unicellular, isolated glandular cell or multicellular clusters of cell, may be exocrine or endocrine. There are three more: squamous, cuboidal or columnar. That is squamous, flattened cells with irregular boundaries. Cuboidal, cubes-like cells perform secretions and absorption. Columnar, tall, slender cells with nuclei at base help in secretion and absorption. Connective tissues most abundant in the body. There are three types: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, and specialized connective tissue. Loose connective tissue are of two types: areolar and adipose. Dense connective tissue are of two types: dense regular and dense irregular. Specialized connective tissue is of two: cartilage or bones. Loose connective tissue are fibers loosely arranged in semi-fluid matrix. Areolar, beneath skin, contain fibroblasts, macrophages, mast cells. Then it supports framework for epithelium. Adipose, it is beneath the skin, stores fat. Then dense regular, collagen fiber present in rows between parallel bundles of fibers. Dense irregular, oriented differently, contain fibroblast and mostly collagen. Then cartilage, solid, pliable, resist compression, present to nose tip, ear, pinna, between bones of vertebrae, lips and hands of adults. Bones, it is hard, non-pliable and rich in calcium salt, collagen fibers. Bone marrow is the production of RBC. Long bone have weight gaining function. Then muscular tissues. Fibers are composed of myofibers. They contract and relax in coordinated fashion. Three types of muscular tissue: skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscle. Skeleton is attached to skeleton bone. Examples: biceps, it is striated, striped and it is voluntary. Then smooth muscles, it is taper at both ends, do not show striations. Cell junctions hold them together. Walls of blood vessels, stomach, intestine contains these muscles. Then cardiac, contractile tissues, cell junction fuse plasma membrane and make them stick together. Intercalated disc makes all the cells to contract at the single time. Then neural tissues, unit of neural systems are nerves, which are excitable cells. The neurological cells make up more than half the volume of neural tissues in our body, which protection and support neurons. When it is stimulated, an electrical disturbance travels along its plasma membrane. A heart contains all four types of tissues. The complexity in an organ system displays discernible trend, which is called the evolutionary trend. Then we will learn the anatomy of cockroach. That its scientific name is Periplantia americana. Introduction: it may be bright yellow, red or green color in tropical regions. Its size is 1 by 4 inch to 3 inch. They have flat extensions of upper body wall that conceals head, and they are serious pests and vectors of several diseases. Its morphology: 34 to 53 millimeter long wings beyond abdomen tip in male. Body of cockroach is equal to head plus thorax plus abdomen, and The exoskeleton has hardened plates called sclerites that are joined by articular membrane. Triangular head lies anteriorly at right angle to the body axis. Head have 6 segments, thorax 3 segments, abdomen 10 segments. Mobility in all directions due to flexible neck. Head capsule bear compound eye. Antenna arises from membranous sockets. Mouth is of biting and chewing type. Mouth parts are equals to labrum plus labium plus pair of mandible and maxilla plus hypopharynx. Then the head is connected to thorax by a short extension of prothorax known as neck and pronotum. Each thoracic segment bears a pair of walking legs. First pair of wings, that is mesothoracis. Second pair of wings, metathoracis. Segments in abdomen and respective organs. In female, 7th boat-shaped sterna forms brood genital pouch which contains gonophores, perimethecal pore and collagen gland. And in male, forms genital pouch or chamber contain dorsal anus, ventral male genital pore and gonapophysis. In male, anal style are present, and in both 10 segment bear anal cerci, that is filamentous structure. Anatomy: alimentary canal is foregut plus midgut plus hindgut. Mouth, salivary gland, which is tubular, pharynx, oesophagus, crop, food storing, and gizzard or proventriculus, which secrete gastric juice, outer lined by circular muscle, and inner 6 high chitinous plate called teeth which grind food. 6 to 8 blind tubules, 100 to 150 yellow colored Malpighian tubes, then which helps in removal of excretory waste from hemolymph, and hindgut broader than midgut anus. Then blood vascular system: open type, blood vessels open into hemocoel. Blood is hemolymph. Heart lies at mid dorsal line of thorax and abdomen. It is differentiated into funnel shaped chambers with ostia on either side. Blood is entered through ostia and pumped anteriorly in sinuses again. Respiratory system: trachea that opens through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles present of lateral sides of body. Tracheolis carries oxygen from air to all parts. The opening of spiracles is regulated by the sphincters. Then its excretion performed by Malpighian tubule. The fat body, nephrocytes and urocose glands also helps in excretion. Nervous system: series of few segmentally arranged ganglia joined by pair longitudinal connective or ventral side. 3 ganglia in thorax and 6 ganglia in abdomen. Head holds a bit of nervous system and rest is situated on ventral side of the body, which is the belly part. And if head is cut off a cockroach, it will be alive for 1 week. Brain is represented by supraoesophageal ganglion which supplies nerves to antenna and compound eye. Sense organs are antenna, eyes, maxillary palps, labia palps and cerci. Compound eye are located on the dorsal surface. Each eye consists of 2000 ommatidia, that is hexagonal, because of which she can see several images of an object. The vision is mosaic vision, more sensitively, less resolution, nocturnal vision. And its reproductive system: in male system, 1 testis lying on each lateral side and 4 to 6 abdomen. Vas deferens from each testis opens in ejaculatory duct through seminal vesicle which further opens into male gonophore situated ventral to anus. Mushroom gland is present in between 6 to 7 abdomen which functions as an accessory reproductive gland. External genitalia are represented by male gonophysis or phalloma. Then sperms are glued in seminal vesicles and formed into bundles called spermatophores. Then female reproductive system: ovaries lie laterally in 2nd to 6th abdomen. 1 ovary is equal to 8 ovarian tubules or ovules containing a chain of developing ova. Oviduct from each ovary unite to form median oviduct vagina, which opens into genital chambers. Sperms are transferred through spermatophores. Their fertilized eggs are encased in capsules called otocyte, dark reddish to blackish brown capsule. They are dropped or glued at the surface near a food source. Female produces 9 to 10 oocyte containing 14 to 16 eggs. Development is through nymphal stage, which is known as paratomidbilius. Nymph grows by molting 13th time to reach the adult form. Next to last stage have wing pods, but only adult cockroaches have. There is no economic use of cockroach. They are pests because they spoil food and contaminate it with their smelly excreta. By this, they can transmit a variety of bacterial diseases. So, this was for the video. Hope you liked it and hope you understood it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.